In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Binance app not installing. So if Binance application is not being installed on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be the unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, your problem should be solved. But sometimes the problem might be caused because of the temporary software glitches. So in order to resolve it, what you have to do is simply restart your device. After you restart your device, your problem should be solved. Now try downloading the Binance application on your device. If it is still not being downloaded, what you have to do is simply clear the cache of Play Store. For that, launch open app library of your device. Find the application for Play Store and long press on it. Now tap on this option App Info that you can see on the screen. Now in the app info interface, what you have to do is find this option for storage and cache and tap on it. Now you'll be able to find two options over here, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on this option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, the cache of Play Store will be cleared. Now go ahead and open the Play Store and try installing the Binance app. After that, your problem should be solved. But if the application is still not being downloaded on your device, there might be some problem with the storage. Your device might not have the sufficient storage in order to download the Binance app. In that case, what you have to do is simply go ahead and delete other applications that you do not use anymore. After that, you'll be able to download the Binance app. But still, if you're not being able to download the Binance app, it might be because your software is not updated. In that case, what you have to do is launch open the settings on your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. Find this option for system and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the system interface. In this interface, what you have to do is find the option for software update and tap on it. Now if you find any software update available, what you have to do is simply go ahead and update it. After the update has been completed, what you have to do is go to the Play Store and try downloading the Binance application again. After you do that, your problem should be solved and the Binance application must be installed on your device. So that is how you fix Binance app not installing. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.